Hi and welcome to Drink Shop at the W Atlanta downtown. My name is Brian Boykin. Today I'll be making you the Old Fashioned cocktail. The Old Fashioned has been presumably one of the most popular of the whiskey cocktails within the last decade. Since the 1800s has been one of the most well-renowned cocktails. Today we'll be making the Old Fashioned circa 1930. So there won't be cherries, there won't be the oranges. Especially in the South, we kind of herald one of the staples being whiskey, pretty close to our hearts. So we don't want to add too much of the juice and whatnot to impede the whiskey flavor. So we're going to start with a sugar cube. It's actually the perfect size. I'm going to add to that just a little bit of Angostura bitters. It's kind of an aromatic bitters. We're going to use a little bit of soda just to just kind of help break it up a little bit. We want to create a paste. We don't want a fizzy mess at the bottom of the cocktail, but we want a nice paste at the bottom. Like I said, the sugar cube is like the perfect amount of sugar to go in the bottom. Custom made for the cocktail. Perfect. So we have our paste right at the bottom of our rocks glass. To that, I'm going to do 2 ounces of our rye whiskey. And then one of the most important parts of the cocktail is the ice. Gotta have good ice. So we have our big lump ice. The most important part about ice essentially is when we're talking about cold and dilution. The bigger the surface area, the wider the surface area on the ice, the easier it is for our cocktail to get cold, but also we don't have to worry about over diluting and our cocktail being watered down. Basically it being just as tasty as it is from the first sip to the last sip. To this we're going to do an orange zest. Classically the Old Fashioned called for a lemon zest. I like orange as it complements the rye quite nicely. We're going to express the orange over the top of over the rocks glass. Clean this up a little bit. And we have our Old Fashioned. Cheers.